If a child has recurrent cough or breathlessness, the child must see a doctor. As a parent, for the first time when you realize that your child is having cough very often, please visit a pediatrician or a family physician. Let him assess the child. Let him advise investigations if he feels so. Once the diagnosis is made and you are given a prescription, later on, once in a while, if the cough is not very bad, you can give one of those medicines which were prescribed by our doctor in the previous visit. But initially, whenever you feel that a child is falling sick very often with cold and cough, please visit the pediatrician or a family physician.